Hello there. This is Sylvia Ornelas-Wise, your local realtor in San Jose, California, serving the Bay Area. And here we have...
Hi, I'm Jason Wiedlin, your mortgage consultant with Prosperity Home Mortgage in San Jose, California.
So today what we want to talk about is how do you finance a home when you have a business and you don't have the traditional pay stub that other people have. And I know some people, so many people now have their own businesses or side hustles or whatever they're going on. So you want to know, what documents or what can you do to prepare for home ownership if you have a small business. So I'm going to have Jason talk us through, the first steps of what needs to be documented or what documents would suffice for a loan application so that you can have your own business and still buy your next house or your first home ever. All right, so Jason, tell us what is needed.
Yeah, so today is Friday, February 2nd, 2024. So this week kicked off tax season. So this is top of mind for business owners. So we thought this would be a great topic. So business owners, first and foremost, typically we will qualify their income by looking at tax returns, usually the last 2 years of tax returns. So if the business has, we're in February right now, if we're closing before April 15th, they could do 2022 and 2021 if 2023 is not filed yet. So that would be the way we typically take a look at it. And we're looking at the net income of that business. So whatever's left after expenses on the last 2 years tax returns, we'll average that, and that's the income that we'll use there.
Jason, but I know that sometimes, when you have a small business, obviously you don't want to pay too much taxes, so you write so many things off, which might not really reflect your, all the money that you're getting to be able to qualify. So what other options do they have to be able to qualify or to document their income to be able to purchase a home?
Yeah, great question. So one of the great things about working with Prosperity Home Mortgage, in addition to the standard like Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA loans, we also have loans that work with by looking at business income differently. So we call these bank statement loans, profit and loss loans, loans that look at the 1099. So these could be a great option for businesses that maybe 2023 was a great year for them and they don't have that tax return finished yet. It's still February. So we've got some other options to look at how to qualify that income too, that not all lenders are going to work with there.
Well, what about in regards to how much money should they have down for down payment and closing costs in these type of situations?
Yeah, so if we're talking like a standard Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loan, you could do as little as 3% down for that. If we want to go with some of these alternate ways of qualifying business income, bank statement loans, profit and loss loans, things that aren't looking at the tax return, down payment's going to be a little bit higher there, at least 10% for those, and you'll have more options if you have 20 or 30% down.
And in regards to interest rates, do they have comparable interest rates?
Yeah, there might be a small premium paid for the alternate income type loans, so you might not get the same interest rate that you get for a Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac loan, but it's a lot better than hard money or some other sources you would use.
Which will cost a lot more money. So anything else that you really think is important for them to have or to be prepared for, or maybe certain documents that they should be keeping, or maybe going forward, what should new business owners start doing? Because now, in regards to documentation to be able to purchase their next home,
I would say talk to a lender that has lots of options available as soon as possible. So I would make sure you're asking questions of your lender. What options do you have available? Some lenders might only have the very standard Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac options available. And if you're talking to someone and they just give you a no, you're not able to finance there, there's probably another lender out there that has more options out there. So, share your tax returns, share your bank statements, and the lender's going to ask questions to really understand your situation and propose solutions on different ways you can get that financing done. So, takeaway: if you're a business owner, you've been frustrated because you're being told you're not making enough money, that you don't have the appropriate tax returns ready, talk to a lender that has flexible options like Prosperity Home Mortgage, so we can really dig in, look at the situation, and come back to you with solutions for business owners.
Yeah, so what's a phone number they could reach you at?
Yeah, so I'm best reached at 408-833-4217. So that's my cell phone number. So I do a lot of evening and weekend consultations. So low pressure consultation to understand your situation and come back to you with options to do it your way.
Yeah, and then once you know what the purchase price is, I'd be happy to help you buy your home. So I know when you're a small business owner, you have a lot of flexibility, and I encourage and empower you to move forward and don't feel that you have to get a job in order to buy a house, because that's a lie. And there is options. Jason can help you, or there's a lot of other lenders out there that can help you get your first house. And so don't give up, and continue being successful in your business, and never give up, and know that there is hope for you to buy a house, and we are here to help you out. Do you have any closing remarks?
I think, like I said, talk to a lender, explore creative solutions, and if you've heard no at one lender, it doesn't hurt to go out there and talk to another there. So, yeah.
All right, well, that's it for us for today. We will talk to you again real soon with a lot of hot topics on financing for first-time home buyers, and for small businesses, and for all things of real estate. So I hope you're having a good day. Today it is raining here in San Jose, so maybe you could show them how it's raining out there.
Yeah, it's pretty wet, and sounds like it's going to continue for a while, but we are here and happy to help.
All right, peace. All right, see you later. Thanks.